Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is the Global Environment Facility Fund. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The Global Environment Facility, GEF, Council recently approved $372 million for 36 environmental projects in developing countries. This funding aims to support biodiversity conservation, climate change adaptation, and sustainable land and marine management. The projects will help countries meet the 2030 biodiversity targets under the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, with a particular focus on community-led initiatives, restoration of ecosystems, and improving livelihoods. Now let's discuss about Global Environment Facility. The GEF was established on the eve of the 1992 Rio Earth Summit. It is a family of funds dedicated to confronting biodiversity loss, climate change, pollution, and strains on land and ocean health. The GEF's main governing body, the Council, consists of 32 members who are appointed by the constituencies of the member countries. It has 184 member countries, including India. Its secretariat is based in Washington, D.C. It provides financial assistance for 5 major international conventions. 1. The Minamata Convention on Mercury. 2. The Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants. 3. The United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity. 4. The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. 5. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. The World Bank serves as the GEF trustee, administering the GEF Trust Fund. Contributions by donors. Now it's time to do a practice question. Where is the Secretariat of the Global Environment Facility, GEF, based? A. New York. B. Washington, D.C. C. London. D. Paris. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
Introducing Drishti IAS Everyday Wear, the casual jacket and the polo neck t-shirt, perfect for everyday and casual wear. Shop now on the Drishti Learning app and Flipkart. Buy link in the description.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.